Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 BL Mazda 3 Neo hatch, stock reference number 3931. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. There's an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre LF 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side. Here's the left-hand tail headlight. Tailgate garnish, right-hand tailgate, tail light, parcel shelf, jack and tool kit. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood sat nav unit, display cluster, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.